After the Pandavas escaped the palace through the tunnel in Varnavrat, they reached river Ganga, where they found a boatman sent by Vidura waiting for them. They climbed the boat and crossed the river to go further towards the south. By the evening, they were in a dense, dark forest where they decided to halt for the night. Not far from that place lived a man-eater Rakshas named Hirim and his sister Hirimba. They both lived on the flesh of human beings. That night, while sitting on the tree, both the siblings could smell the human scent, and Hirim said and ordered Hirimba to go and search for humans in the forest. When Hirimba went to search for the humans, she found Bheem guarding his brothers and mother in their state of deep sleep. Hirimba immediately falls in love with Bheem and changes her appearance by adopting the appearance of a beautiful maiden and confesses Bheem of her love towards him. She tells everything to Bheem honestly about her brother and his motive, and also proposes to take Bheem to a safe place. But Bheem refused to go with her, leaving his family in danger. When Hirimba did not arrive on time, Hirim went to check for her. On finding her motive to get married to Bheem, Hirim gets angry and tries to kill her. Bhima could not stand Hirim attacking a truthful woman and challenges to kill Hirim. They both began to fight, and the sounds of the trees awoke the sleeping family. Kunti, on seeing such a beautiful woman standing in front of her, asks her about her identity and gets to know the truth and that she is in love with Bheem. Considering how much Hirimba loved Bheem, everyone suggested Bheem to marry Hirimba, and a year later Ghatotkach was born to them, who played an important part in the war of Mahabharata. Do hit the like and subscribe button for more such content, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.